Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video. Like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Here we'll be making videos related to Marvel and DC and other entertainment related stuff. Also check out our Instagram handle where we'll be posting news updates and other exciting stuff. Dear Zack Snyder, we wish you a very happy birthday and we wish all the things go as the way you have planned, and we wish you a great year ahead full of love, health, success and prosperity. One of the things I love and admire about Zack Snyder is the way that he interacts with the fans, which is extraordinary. I've never seen such a great director interact with fans in such a way. Zack is a director who doesn't give interviews to big media houses, but instead prefers giving interviews to creators like us, which I think is the reason why film critics target his movies and make it controversial. Zack Snyder redefined the tone of comic book films. Nowadays, superhero movies which we get are popcorn flicks, but Zack's comic book movies forces us to question reality. It made us think. It forces us to question: can there be a Superman? Can there be a Dr. Manhattan? Which wasn't the case in previous. Snyder often uses slow motion in and out of the fight scene in his films, which Jamie Nicholson of Box Office magazine remarked separates the director from other filmmakers who make multiple cuts and close-up during a fight. A minute-long shot from 300 shows King Leonidas slaughtering his enemies, the camera zooming in and out to emphasize each kill and move Leonidas makes. Snyder wants to show reality in his movies. In the fight scenes, like he said, if you just beat up a guy in an alley, he's not going to just be lying on the ground. Snyder wants it to be messy, more realistic. I'd like to thank Christopher Nolan and Deborah Snyder for not letting Zack Snyder watch Justice League. The first word of an interview with Zack Snyder, Zack stated he has never seen Justice League. Also, I hate the fact that his name was used in the credit as a filmmaker, but he never said through the version released to the world 4 years ago, which we fans call it Justice League. So a huge thank you, Deborah, for not letting Zack Snyder watch the theatrical cut, and Nolan, who also didn't want him to see that piece. Nolan literally said to Deborah, we can't let him watch that. We need a friend like Christopher Nolan, a friendship like Christopher and Zack have. DC has great potential. DC has great characters, storylines, animation, series, games, but they lack in the live action movie department. They got Snyder, but they didn't trust him and tried to chop his film repeatedly. They still got chance with the Snyder cut releasing. They still can embrace the Snyderverse. DC really needs Zack Snyder. DC really could use someone having such a great vision like Zack. I think DC is in a position where they are throwing things to see which one sticks. Unlike Marvel, I mean they have all the things planned out. One of the positive of DC producing so much stuff is that we know they're active, they want to compete Marvel, and I think that's a good thing. As compared to the previous time when Marvel was making movies and money and all DC and Warner Brothers were doing was making controversy. We all know 2020 was not a great year because of the pandemic and all movie series getting delayed. But that's not the case with 2021. We have got WandaVision and we'll be getting Zack Snyder's Justice League and The Falcon and the Winter Soldier in 18 days. We have a great year ahead, full of movies and series from Marvel and DC. We'll get Godzilla vs Kong, Mortal Kombat and many more stuff. But according to me, 2021 is going to be Zack Snyder year with Zack Snyder Justice League and Army of the Dead. He has a great stuff ahead, and I mean he has such a great fandom. Like even if he'll drop an image related to the stuff, it will be trending the whole day on Twitter. He is widely celebrated director of Hollywood, not only nationally but worldwide. We love